How to turn off trends for you on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off trends for you on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and click settings and privacy and then click this one, privacy and safety, and then click here, content you see. And now all you need to do is just click this one, explore settings, and then turn this one off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how to turn off trends for you on your Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.